D. D for drinking water. D R I N K I N G. Drinking. W A T E R. Water. Drinking water. Drinking water keeps passengers fresh and healthy during travel. Disabled ramps. D I S A B L E D. Disabled. R A M P S. Ramps. Disabled ramps. Disabled ramps help wheelchairs and trolleys move safely. Free water to stay happy and healthy. What is it? And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is drinking water.